Verse 96. Indeed, you will find them the most eager of people for life, even more than those who associate others with Allah. One of them wishes that he could be granted life 1,000 years, but it would not remove him in the least from the coming punishment that he should be granted life. And Allah is seeing of what they do. Verse 97. Say, whoever is an enemy to Gabriel, it is none but he who has brought the Qur'an down upon your heart, O Muhammad, by permission of Allah, confirming that which was before it and his guidance and good tidings for the believers. Verse 98. Whoever is an enemy to Allah and his angels and his messengers and Gabriel and Michael, then indeed, Allah is an enemy to the disbelievers. Verse 99. And we have certainly revealed to you verses, which are clear proofs, and no one would deny them except the defiantly disobedient. Verse 100. Is it not true that every time they took a covenant a party of them threw it away? But, in fact, most of them do not believe. Verse 101. And when a messenger from Allah came to them confirming that which was with them, a party of those who had been given the scripture threw the scripture of Allah behind their backs as if they did not know what it contained. Verse 102. And they followed, instead, what the devils had recited during the reign of Solomon. It was not Solomon who disbelieved, but the devils disbelieved, teaching people magic and that which was revealed to the two angels at Babylon, Harut and Marut. But the two angels do not teach anyone unless they say, we are a trial, so do not disbelieve, by practicing magic. And, yet, they learn from them that by which they cause separation between a man and his wife. But they do not harm anyone through it except by permission of Allah. And the people learn what harms them and does not benefit them. But the children of Israel certainly knew that whoever purchased the magic would not have in the hereafter any share. And wretched is that for which they sold themselves, if they only knew. Verse 103. And if they had believed and feared Allah, then the reward from Allah would have been far better if they only knew. Verse 104. O you who have believed, say not, to Allah's messenger, Ariana, but say, Unthurna, and listen. And for the disbelievers is a painful punishment. Verse 105. Neither those who disbelieve from the people of the scripture nor the polytheists wish that any good should be sent down to you from your Lord. But Allah selects for His mercy whom He wills, and Allah is the possessor of great bounty. Verse 106. We do not abrogate a verse or cause it to be forgotten except that we bring forth one better than it or similar to it. Do you not know that Allah is over all things competent? Verse 107. Do you not know that to Allah belongs the dominion of the heavens and the earth and that you have not besides Allah any protector or any helper? Verse 108. Or do you intend to ask your messenger as Moses was asked before? And whoever exchanges faith for disbelief has certainly strayed from the soundness of the way. Verse 109. Many of the people of the scripture wish they could turn you back to disbelief after you have believed.